Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to use Sleep Timer in Spotify applications. So how to use Sleep Timer in Spotify applications? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, please enter the Spotify application on your computer. Now here it is on the main Spotify display. Here to use the Sleep Timer, we have to add it by downloading it. The method is to move the cursor to the top left of the screen. Here there is a marketplace icon. Tap the marketplace icon. Here you will enter the marketplace menu. Select extension. And scroll down to search Sleep Timer. Keep scrolling down until you find it. Now it's found. To add to our Spotify, tap the download icon here. Tap reload now. Now here it is still in the process of downloading and adding to Spotify. Now here you can see at the bottom right of the screen there is a Sleep Timer icon. Tap the icon. Now here several options will appear. The top one is music. It functions to set the sleep timer to start at how many songs. The bottom one sets the minutes, to set how many minutes of time will be used. For example, I use 20 minutes. So after 20 minutes here the music will stop by itself. Tap start to start it. Now here we can see the timer running backwards from 20 minutes. After it reaches 0, the music will turn off automatically. So that's it. Tutorial how to use Sleep Timer in Spotify applications. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.